come to share with you some traveller's notebooks that I've made. Done 3 so far. I've got 4 to finish. I prepped them all in advance and I'm just working on them as I go along. So this one here is from Tsunami Rose, and it's the French Classifieds digital kit. This one here is, well, both of these actually from Artymaze. This one is a sewing themed one and this one is the iris flower. So I'll start off showing you the French Classified one first. I'll put a link to Artymaze and Tsunami Rose in the description box below. So that's the back cover, it's the front. Obviously used some of the images from the kit for the cover, and then just put just a little fabric word down here and it says J'adore. I've stitched around the cover. There is crocheted trim, eyelet and organza ribbon as a closure. So just make sure I'm in frame. So this kit is really pretty, love the blues in it. I have a flip here with, use some of the paper on there so you could actually write on that as well. Done some stamping and some stenciling, some handmade tags, some ephemera from the kit, a little envelope from the kit, and I've just popped in some paper that you can journal on. There is a doily, dictionary page, Edith Holden. Here we just have some music paper, and then there's an envelope which is just paper clipped on there, and I've just popped some paper in there as well, so, and that opens up so you can journal on that as well. There's lined paper, some more stamping, lovely papers from the kit. We have a pocket here with a large tag, journaling card from the kit. This little embellishment is from the kit and I've just glued that on. Here we just have some fabric, some cheesecloth, another piece of fabric, some eyelash trim and a button. Here I've just made some altered paper clips. There's 2 of them in the journal. Just got some lace trim behind there, some flat back beaded, like a pearl beaded string, and a little gem there. And actually I think it's the same lady, I think that's Marion Antoinette, a tag, and this opens out to journal on. And this idea comes from Terry Woods. You can search her on YouTube. She makes beautiful journals, and she does she comes up with like amazing things to do with making pockets from paper. So that just paper clips on there. We have a doily, some digital, some dictionary paper, some Edith Holden. There's lots of places to journal. Crocheted trim, centre of signature, another little kind of fabric snippet here with there's cotton calico, cheesecloth, piece of fabric, eyelash trim and a button. That flips out, as does that. You can staple that and then make it into a pocket or glue it. Another flip here. Excuse me. Another tag. Some ephemera from the kit. This is from the kit. A double journaling card from the kit. Lovely papers. Another pocket here with a fabric embellishment and it just says Paris. A tag. Some ephemera from the kit. A journal card from the kit. Another fabric snippet there. The button. Flip out. Another flip. Dictionary page, doily. This is the other paper clip. And this is one of the fold outs. again, Terry Wood's idea. And inside there we have a large tag, a piece of ephemera from the kit, a postcard from the kit, this journal card from the kit, another little envelope with some paper which is just all folded up so you can do some journaling inside there, and the paper clip just holds all that in place. Did I do it? No, I missed it completely. So that pops on there like that, and that is the back. So that is the French classified one, and then there is the sewing theme one. I'm going to try and get these all done pretty quick. What am I at? Oh, I can't even see it. Just held closed with some organza ribbon, and we've just got some layering here with fabrics and cheesecloth and eyelash trim and some buttons. As I say, the kit is from Artymaze. We've got a flip up here, and then there's a little snippet there with a button in the centre. There's a tag and a tag from the kit. The stamping and stenciling throughout. Tag which is just paper clipped on here, and this flips out, and inside there we just have some more journaling space. And where did my paper clip go? Some lined paper, some stamping, another tag just paper clipped on. Love this page, love the sewing machine. Oops. Inside this flips out, the paper clip's holding it closed. Some ephemera from the kit, some ephemera, a doily, some edge punching. We have another one of these flip outs here, and it just has a doily and a little fabric snippet on there. There is a tag, another tag from the kit, and a journaling card from the kit, and that all just slots in there. Love this page as well. Music paper, flip out. My ring's annoying me. Centre of the signature. Flip out here. Another flip out. The tag, some ephemera, and some more journaling space. And that all just paper clips on. And there is another tag here which just paper clips on there. I mean, you can move everything around in the journal, it doesn't have to stay where I put it. Flip up, flip down, journaling space. Another little fabric snippet here, and inside there is some ephemera. Handmade tag and a tag from the kit. This is another flip out, and inside there we have, that's one of them ones that all folds out. Another tag, another journaling card, and a tag from the kit, and then a fabric snippet there with a button. And I like to hide the paper clip behind the doily. We have another tag here, some edge punching, some more Edith Holden, another flip out there, and that is that one. There are, in all of these, there are 80 pages front and back. Again, this one is just held closed with some organza ribbon, and I've used this image. This is from the Iris journal kit, and I've used one of Artymaze's words that she has a freebie on her website, and I've just backed this onto some coffee dyed paper and then sewn it on. So we have this lovely page here. I love the colours. I kind of like the blues and the lilacs at the moment. So we have a tag and a journaling card. Flip up, the ticket and a butterfly. I never used to like blue in my journals, but I do now. And inside there's another journaling card from the kit. Some more paper to write on. That flip just tucks in there. And that goes on there like so. Another lovely page. This is just paper clipped on. You just have some ephemera inside there. The ephemera is from Tsunami Rose. We have a doily, some edge punching, another lovely page from the kit. Here we just have another flip out, and it has a ticket and a butterfly, journaling card and a tag. Oops, put that in the wrong way. A doily, some dictionary page, some Edith Holden, a flip out, lots of journaling space, another Edith Holden, a flip out, journal card from the kit, some more paper to write on. I recently bought some more Edith Holden books, and I buy them from the same sale out on eBay, and I bought two same ones because I like the one. Which one was it? It was The Country Diary, I believe, and inside one of them, oh, that reminds me I have to check something. Inside one of them was it was actually like a good luck goodbye card. And it looked rather old, and the lady's name was Susan, and I would like, it'd be nice to find Susan and give her a card back. So we have an envelope here with a journal card inside. For some of you that is on the chat group, Junk Journal chat group, we were talking about it last night, because it could have been, whoopsie, it could have been that the card was slipped in the book, because the book was actually, I'm not doing this right at all, it's because I'm talking. The card was slipped into the book because it was a gift as well, you know, for safekeeping. And obviously it's been given away to a second-hand shop and bought and sold, and the card's just gone along with it. Another flip out, some ephemera, and that is that. So that is all the journals. They will all be listed in my shop. The link will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.